Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to choose Omega-3 updated. Read labels for EPA and DHA milligrams per serving, check third-party purity testing, and note triglyceride versus ethyl ester forms. Start by defining your goals like heart support or inflammation control, then compare concentrations and servings to reach the right daily dose. I'll help you spot red flags, understand labels, and pick an effective, trustworthy product with confidence. Understanding labels makes choosing Omega-3 simple and safe. Look for clear EPA and DHA milligrams per serving and the number of soft joules required for that dose. Prefer triglyceride or re-esterified triglyceride forms for better absorption and avoid ethyl ester if possible. Watch for oxidation indicators and ask for third-party tests. Balance dosage with dietary sources and consult a healthcare professional when needed for tailored advice. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. Bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. I spotted them recently, and they save time for healthy meals that pair well with your supplement plan. Check the description for the product link and other deals to save time and money. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Choose Omega-3 based on sustainability, concentration, and your specific needs. Check for sustainable sourcing labels or favor algae-based options for a plant-friendly DHA source. Calculate total daily milligrams of EPA plus DHA to match target benefits instead of relying on bottle serving counts. Store supplements properly and note expiration dates. Small habits like correct dosing and proper storage will preserve potency and maximize results over time for noticeable benefits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.